Hello everyone, welcome back to EasyFlutter.com. So in today's video, we are going to explore the AppBar. So here is an example. So this is the AppBar which we are going to build right now. So in an AppBar, so what we are going to learn, so we are going to change the background color and we are going to add the title, and we will make the title into the center. And here you can see one icon. Here you can see the search icon and menu icon. So this is the AppBar which we are going to build right now. So let me open my code editor. So here you can see, so let me zoom into it. So here you can see we have a scaffold. So to display the AppBar, so the scaffold, it has a property of AppBar. So here we have to pass the widget called AppBar. So let me save this and see the output. So here you can see we have some AppBar display here, but we don't have anything on here. So let me add the title. So in AppBar, so we have to add the title, and title is going to be a text widget, EasyFlutter. So let me save this. So here you can see we can able to see the title of EasyFlutter. So let's make the title into center. So to do that, so the AppBar, it has a property of center title. So it's going to be a boolean. So it's going to be a true or false. So I'm going to make it as a true. Let's save this. So here you can see the title is being a center right now. So let's change the background color of this AppBar. So to do that, so the AppBar, it has a property of background color. So background color. So we are going to make it as a brown or whatever color you like it. So let's save this. And here you can see we have changed the background color, and let's add some icon in front here. So this position we call it as a leading position. So leading, so we are going to pass the icons.menu. So now you can see the menu icon has been displayed here. So but this is not clickable. So in case if you want to add the clickable button, so you can add icon button over here. So we are going to add icon button here on a action. So like whatever buttons we are seeing here, so that is called actions. So here action, so you can notice this is in an array symbol, so which means you can pass multiple icons over here. So not only icons, so you can pass the text or whatever it is. So usually we pass the icon. So I want to make this as a clickable icon. So icon button. So when the user click this button, so we are going to do some action over here. So I'm just going to print it on my console. So here we have added the icon button. So I'm just going to add it again. So instead of search, so we are going to use some other option. So let me save this, and here you can see we have buttons over here. So let me click this. So here you can see in the console search pressed, and when I click the menu button, so you can see more button is pressed. I hope you enjoy this video. If you are facing any issue, feel free to comment below. I'm here to help you, and see you on next video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel in case if you want to learn more about Flutter. See you on next video. Goodbye.